Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to update your Bybit application on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. Keeping your Bybit mobile app up to date ensures you have access to the latest features, security enhancements, and performance improvements. First of all, open up your Google Play Store for Android users and App Store for iOS users. Go to the search icon at the bottom right and go to the search bar at the top and type in Bybit. Look for the Bybit Buy Bitcoin and Crypto app from the search results and tap on the app. Now, if there is an update available for your Bybit application, you will be able to see an update button. Tap on it to begin the latest update process. Wait for the update to complete and it automatically updates the app. The latest update introduces several enhancements such as Bybit Lite Mode, Pro Mode, enhanced navigation, categorized earning paths, and so on. Just make sure you have the stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the update. Also ensure you have enough storage space on your device, and that's it. There you have successfully updated your Bybit application to its latest version, whether you are using Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.